What up, what up, what up? G Wolf here, aka the Jedi Marketer, and we are in another live journey into a company, a really risky company, and I don't mean a risk in that, you know, they might go scam or anything like that, but risk in that, you know, I'm risking my own money. Okay? So the company is called Jetcoin. I'm pretty sure you're probably heard of it or you're going to hear of it. But it just recently launched and it's exploding. I mean, people are making a lot of money really quickly, and I don't see it stopping anytime soon because there's a lot of top earners. And when I say top earners, I mean super affiliates getting involved. Not your traditional super affiliates either. We're talking like some serious super affiliates, people who are bringing in hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds, thousands of people. So this platform is going to explode. Companies, you know, as I said, it's called Jetcoin, and if you're doing research on it, more than likely it's because you're catching rift of this momentum that's being built up by a lot of these top earners. And so, me being a marketer and also an investor, like I invest in myself, I invest in business platforms, I invest my money so that I can increase my revenue and my profits so that I can grow my business even more. I take educated and timely risks. And the reason why I say timely is because timing is kind of everything when it comes to investments. Either you have good timing or you have shitty timing. And I'm at the beginning of this thing, so I have really good timing going for me right now. Now, disclaimer, I have to provide this disclaimer. I'm not providing you with any financial advice here. This is just a review, and I'm sharing my actual personal investment into this platform to show you that, you know, I'm putting my own money into this. But with every company, you know, it carries massive risks. So there's a chance that I could make nothing or I could make a lot. However, I have pretty good faith at the time of this video. I have pretty solid faith in this company that it's going to be here for at least half a year, maybe. I have to reevaluate the situation, but I give it a solid 3 months. Now, I'm not saying it's going to collapse in 3 months. I'm just saying I'm going to give it 3 months, and the reason why is because there's some massive, big-time marketers involved in this company recruiting people into this thing. So with that type of understanding, that tells me that there's always going to be funds coming into this company, so there's always going to be money being going out of the company, right? So, as I said, I'm not giving any financial advice here. With every company, business opportunity, or investment platform carries massive risk, so you need to be an adult about your decisions and what you want to invest in, right? So Jetcoin is basically that. It's pretty much an investment platform built with a binary opportunity. The owners behind this, I don't know the owners. I just know my sponsor, and my sponsor basically, you know, he's a trustworthy dude. Like I know he wouldn't steer anybody the wrong way, but then, you know, as an adult, I still got to carry my own risk, right? That's just the way it is, you know. But you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different investment packages that you can invest in. Once you come in, I'm at the 1 Bitcoin, so these are all activated, and all the way up to 1 Bitcoin for me. This basically earns me 0.9% back. I don't get the exact return on everything, but I would imagine it's about 1% per day, right? So 1% from each level, which would equate to about 0.05, no, 0.05, yeah, about 0.05, yeah, or maybe 0.03, something like that, around there back per day. So just to prove it to you, yeah, let me log in here. Let's give it a sec here to load up. So, I mean, in a nutshell, I mean, you don't necessarily have to recruit to make any money with this program. Just buy the investment packages. If you decide you want to share your results, go for it. I mean, the easiest way to recruit is to share results. So you don't need to be some heavy super affiliate to be getting anybody involved with the platform. As you can see here, my plan JC5. Let's go up to history, transaction history, just to show you. I initially bought this one, which is the 0.05, and then I upgraded a couple of minutes later to 1 Bitcoin. So as you see, I came in with 1 Bitcoin, and I'm putting my money where my mouth is, right? Basically. Let me pause this for a sec because I want to take a look at their investment return so that I can give you an understanding of what you're going to get back mathematically if you came in with 1 Bitcoin. Just give me a sec here. Okay, so the math is actually relatively easy. Okay, so when you work it out, if I bought 1 BTC and it's doubling every 50 days, then basically, in a nutshell, it's saying that I should have 2 BTC divided by 40 days. Let's just use 40 days. So 1 BTC per 20 days divided by, let's say that's 3 weeks. So I should be getting over 3 weeks about 0.3 Bitcoin back a week. Yes, a week. And divided by 7. So divided by 7. Hang on one sec here. 0.3 divided by 7, which would be 0.4, about 0.4, 0.5, 0.05 Bitcoin per day is what I'd be getting back each day. About 1.1 Bitcoin every 2 days. So that's about the return you're going to get daily using the format of doubling every 50 days, doubles every 50 days. So 2 Bitcoins, 1 Bitcoin every 20 days. So yeah, it makes sense. That's how the math would work. If you wanted to come in at anything lower, that's so be it. I mean, that's totally up to you. But I'd advise you, if you want to get the maximum return and leverage fast, come in with 1 Bitcoin. But you're an adult, so you make your own decisions, right? Get a hold of me. If you're going to get involved, let me know. And because we have a support group, we have with pretty much all the top earners who are in this company, I'm working with them. We have a support group, a private chat group, and a private Facebook support group, so you can get like the updates from the the main honchos in charge, right? And I think that's really good for you. It puts you in a place where you're in the know, right? So if they know something, then we're gonna know right away, right? And so, like I said before, timing is everything right now with this company. If you get in early, you're looking at some massive returns pretty quick. And with all these big, massive marketers coming involved, I could see this company staying around for a little bit. But But I mean, with everything, like companies like this, it carries a bit of risk. So, you know, you need to make that your own educated decision on whether or not you want to roll with this company. But let it be known, I put 1 Bitcoin in myself.